Hey everybody, so I got a new ice maker here today. We've been using this for a few days now. My family absolutely loves this, especially because it does the little nuggets, and they just love these. It's the closest thing to crushed ice. They love it. Anyway, you got different features. You got a button that will do both your making your ice and your cleaning. You can do self-cleaning modes. It'll be able to clean itself, and I think the cleaning mode takes about 15 minutes or so. Then you also have buttons where you can set timers. So let's say you want it to start doing ice in 3 hours from now, not right now. You can set a timer for it to start. I just let it run 24/7. Once it fills up, it stops, it shuts down. And it seems to be pretty insulated because I can even unplug it, come back the next morning, and it's still full of ice. So, but if it does melt, it melts right back into the reservoir. So you got a basket here. This is where all the ice is gonna go. Right now it's pretty full. And I do have the machine unplugged and off, so it hasn't really been staying as cold and making as much ice, at least for the last half hour. And your reservoir, it holds a decent amount of water. As it gets lower in water, it will alert you. It'll let you know that it needs water. Same thing when it's full. When it's full of ice, it will shut down, and then it will show. It'll give you like a little symbol that it is full. Once you use the ice, or if it melts a little bit, it will start making ice again. On the side, you got one large fan that's going to blow out heat. It does blow out a little bit of heat, so you want to keep it a few inches away from the wall on all sides, as it does have a refrigeration unit inside. It's ventilated all the way around, but that is the only fan. Just make sure you got some clearance. Overall, the machine does make some noise, but it's not overly loud. We'll go ahead and we'll plug it in. You'll see that it will illuminate. So right now it's plugged in, but it's not on. If you press it once, now you'll hear the refrigeration kick on, and it will start to make the ice. You can see the little nuggets slowly coming down. You also do get this little scoop. You can see the ice that it makes. It's those nice little nuggets. Perfect. Fit those in little bottles. You can fit them in everything. And what I actually been doing is I've been bagging this up, putting it in Ziplocs and putting it in a freezer. That way I have it for either ice chest or guest if I'm going to do like some hosting. It seems to make a decent amount of ice. I don't know how fast, but I could go and watch a movie and I'll come back and the whole thing's full. So I know within at least a couple hours it's full. You got to press and hold it for 3 seconds, and then it was going to pop up at number 15. So it is 15 minutes for this one. And then it's going to go into a cleaning mode. It was 15 minutes for a couple other ice machines that I've done as well. So I think that's kind of like the average time. At least that's from my experience. And as for the cleaning, you're going to see where it's going to be flowing water all the way through. It's going to take it from the reservoir, it's going to flow it through the system, clean it out, and everything. It's going to go for 15 minutes, dump everything. Oh, also there is a plug up underneath. I won't show that right now, but the plug, you just pull it right off. Put this like over your sink a little bit, pull the plug off, it'll just flow right into this thing for you. But anyway, you're looking for a nice ice machine. This one is great. We absolutely love this thing. I don't even turn it off anymore.